I think meron ng, they're just waiting for the final decision. They are already considering. So, yun ang magandang balita, no? They're already considering.
Camp Nisan ba to?
Yes, pero...
Considering na sir?
Malay ba, parang namang, parang pag-uusapan na raw nila.
Sir, ano yung consider nila?
Whether to waive the salaries and allowances, as recommended, no? As we recommended.
Sir, ni-relay po
Ano lang naman yun, kasi nga, sabi ko, kung susundin talaga natin yung rules, sa korte nga, pinaabot tayo ng taon di ba? Minsan. Kasi kung susundin mo talaga yung rules, medyo matagal-tagal, tedious yung process. So, para na lang mawala yung pressure sa Senate, mawala rin pressure sa, bawa kay Senator De La Rosa, siguro, yung request natin, ito voluntary nila lang, forgo o yung kanyang, or waive niya yung salaries and allowances. That's also seconded, sinang-ayunan din naman ni Senate President Soto yun, no?
Paano na sir, pinaabot ng office niya sa inyo? Na mukhang
pero naman, may mga nagpaparating kasi hindi rin namin alam kung paano get in touch with, we don't know how to get in touch with him, no? Kaya lang, meron namang parating na mukhang namin na pinag-uusapan na nila ng kanyang kampo. Hopefully, magkaroon na ng positive development by next week.
Sir, tama ba? Si Senting lang yung dumating ngayong araw sa ethics hearing.
Yes, lahat wala kasi we're still at break and I think babalik tayo by next week. So,